Hi there, welcome. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you about simultaneous equation and we are using a substitution method to solve it. Alright, so let us go to the first question. Okay, as you can see here, this is our first question and we have two equations, equation number 1 and also equation number 2. Okay, now the first step is we have to take any of this equation, alright, and then make one variable as a subject. Now let's say I'm going to take equation number 1 and we make the x as a subject. Okay, so we move plus 3y to the opposite side. We become negative 3y, and here you can see there's a 4 here, right? And then we move the 4 to the opposite side, it will become divide by 4. Okay, and then here, okay, this is, we call it as a subject. So after we have successfully make x as a subject, so what we are going to do, we have to take this, we have to take this x value and substitute it into the second equation. Alright, because you have used the first equation to get the subject, now we have to substitute this in the second equation. Okay, so now we have 5x minus 2y equals to 28 in our second equation. Now we have to bring this and substitute it inside the x. Okay, inside the x. Okay, so now the process will be 5, put a bracket here, 27 minus 3y over 4, 28. Okay, now here's the process. This 5 we have to multiply inside here. Okay, so and 5 multiplied with 27 will become 135, and 5 multiplied with 3y it become a negative 15y, and this is over 4. Okay, so now here is actually, if you have a whole number like this is actually is over 1. Now we have to multiply and make the denominator the same. So here we have to multiply it 4 and multiply it 4. Okay, both up and down. So we are going to do minus 8y over 4 equals to 28. Okay, now we are going to make it, so we make it simplified, 15y minus 8y over 4 equals to 28. Okay, now we take the 4 and we multiply with the 28, and also we solve this negative 15y minus with 8y. Alright, so I'm going to do it here. 135 minus with, okay, both of these you plus and you are getting that 23y equals to the 4 times with 28, you are getting 112. Okay, now this 135, right, this 135 will move to the opposite side, will become minus 135, and here you remain the negative 23y. Okay, and then here we minus this, you'll be getting here negative 23y, here's 23y. So the next step, we move this negative 23y to the opposite side. Oh, sorry, here is supposed not to have a y here. Okay, that's 3. Now 23 divided by negative 23, and you are getting your answer, y is equals to 1. Okay, you have your one of your answers. Okay, now we have to take this answer, y equals to 1, and substitute in any of this equation. Okay, we can substitute this y value into the first equation. So we can find the value of this x. So the y will become 1, then here 3, and then we move the opposite side, it will become minus 3 and divided by 4. So your x is equals to 24 divided by 4, and you are getting your answer 6. Now for this question we have x is 6 and y is equals to 1 as the solution. Alright, now we go to the second question. Okay, this is our second question. So I purposely picked a harder question to teach in this video. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, first of all, we take this equation 1. Okay, now I would like to change this into x over 2. Alright, you just multiply and put it up here, and here will become y over 3 equals to 8. Alright, this is your one of your step 1. So here we make the denominator the same. So you will have it, this is multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So you got that 3x over 6, multiply with 2, multiply with 2. You got that 2y equals to 6. This is equals to 8. Alright, now we can actually simplify this. Divided by 8, and this 6 will be moving and multiply with 8, and you get your first. So I just write it over here. This is your 3x plus 2y equals to 48. Okay, this is our first equation. Now we will do the same thing with our second equation. Okay, so here 2x over 3, 3y over 2 equals to 17, and here multiply with 2 both sides, you get 4x over 6. Here multiply with 3 up and down, and you got 9y over 6 equals to 17, and here we make it into the same. Simplify this over 6, 17. Okay, and then please don't forget the 6 will move up and multiply with the 17, and you'll be getting there, and we copy down here. So you'll be getting 4x plus 9y equals 102. Okay, so I repeat again, I always remember you have to change from this form to this form, from this form to this form. So now here you have equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, so your the probability you make mistakes from here is very little, okay, compared to this fraction form. All right, so now we will move on. We'll follow this equation now. Okay, so okay, we will take the first equation and make, let's say we make a y as a subject now. Okay, so the 3x will move to the opposite side, will become minus and divided by 2. Okay, this is the y, this is the subject. All right, so we have to take this, and we have to substitute inside this y. So you'll be getting here 4x plus 9. Okay, the y you have to substitute with this 48 minus 3x over 2 equals to 102. Alright, so now we have to simplify this, and you got the 432 when you multiply 9 to 48, and then here's a 27x over 2. Okay, so here is as supposed to be over 1, right? So you just multiply 2 both sides, so you'll be having here Okay, you'll be having here 8 over 2. Okay, this is equals to 102. Okay, now we can actually make it simplify. 8x minus 27x plus 432 and over 2. Got it? Over 2. So what happens is this 2 will go and multiply here. So it can be further simplified. Okay, don't forget this. We can also simplify this. So you will get your answer as negative 19x plus 432. Okay, 2 multiply with 102. You have it 204. Okay, and then for this 432 will be moved there and it become minus 432 divided by negative 19. Okay, now we check the answer. What we have here? Okay, we got here 12. Okay, we got here 12. X is a 12. Okay, after you get this answer, what you can do? You can substitute inside over here. So the x, so y is equals to 48 minus 3. Substitute the value of the x over here. Okay, so you'll be getting y is 48 minus 36 over 2. So you will be getting that 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Now you have the answers. Y is equals to 6 and x is equals to 12. Okay, this is the way of how to do simultaneous equation using a substitution method. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will upload more videos soon. Thank you very much.